have Makari with us today. We're going to, I think it's called Apple Hill Orchard in Morganton, North Carolina. Yep, trying an apple. She doesn't like apples, so she's doing good though. Bryce, what did you think? These are, what are these called?
Johnny Gold.
Johnny Gold.
Johnny Golds.
They're good. They're a little tart. Sweet and tart, but they're a little tarty than what I like, but they're good.
And she said, I mean, this is the first row we've been in, but she said that is guaranteed, but a lot of the apples are bad. Like a lot of them. Like, I don't know if I can get close.
I want you to at least try the ones that we're going to see.
But a lot of them are a little rougher.
I don't care how much.
I thought they'd be. Caspian, do you got an apple?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Actually, I took a big chunk.
What letter does apple start with?
A.
Good job.
I actually took a big chunk of it too.
You did?
Yeah.
What'd you think of it?
It's
Nah.
She's like,
She's like, nah.
This is a new apple.
what's that?
I got a new apple, Mommy.
This?
I got a
this is
new one, Mommy.
Oh, no, yeah, that's good. Yeah, go ahead. Eat
This one good.
Yep, it looks like it. Yep. Try it, see what you think.
Take the stem off. Mommy, you want apples?
I always take the stems out of it. Your mom and dad might eat because we're going to send some with you.
I like the golden delicious.
You like these? Okay. So you
This
pick
one, Mom?
4 then because you're going to take 2 of them with you.
Okay, on.
Let me have the bag. All right, put that one in there. So you're going to pick a few extra ones because you're going to pick some for Crystal and some for you.
I'm picking one more.
Caspian, are you eating or picking?
What are you doing, bud?
He's doing both.
Picking. Pick this one right here.
These are bright.
Get it really good.
I'm trying to
Pull hard on it.
Oh, this one's dead.
What else you got?
Pull hard on it, Bubby. Pull.
Just be careful.
Pull it off the tree, Bubby. Here, mommy, hold your apple.
Honey, you couldn't climb
All right,
these
to
trees
both
if you
hands.
wanted
Yeah, pull. Pull hard, Bubby. No, pull on the apple. Grab the apple. Now pull.
Yeah.
There we
to. Good
go.
job, little
Give it
man.
to Daddy.
Nice. Give it to Daddy. All right.
Here, okay, I have your apple. Goodness gracious.
We're delicious.
We're delicious.
No, ain't good.
Is that your apple only?
My precious.
Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. Got this. Pull on it.
You picked 2 good ones.
Yay! You did it.
I got a new apple.
Way to go, big man.
Look at this one. We need some more room. Ow!
How many do you have, Makari? Oh my goodness.
I'm too
And you can't tell, but this child is stuffing her pockets too. She's like taking her to an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Mommy, it's big. It's really heavy.
Bryce, got your own soundtrack over there?
Oh.
What I like is we're the only ones back here, too.
Apples. Apples.
Here,
Ninja
come over here and
skills. Come on,
sit.
Bryce. I need ninja skills.
Ninja skills, okay. Stay right here.
Oh, we made it. All right, put them in there. We'll give
All right, did we save them?
Woo, we saved them.
All right, we
It was
saved him.
close.
Yeah?
There is, but I've never seen them.
Oh, there it is again. That's so cool.
Right here on these logs, sea
Yeah.
turtles will come out Sunday.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love turtles. I'm such a sucker for turtles.
What is that apple?
That's a log.
A log? They almost look like a fish.
He got all excited.
The turtles come up and sunbathe on them.
Really?
Yeah,
So we got Daniel leading the way.
trying to.
Trying
There
to.
they are. There's one. There they are.
There they are over there.
Oh,
There's
look.
one here, too.
Oh, I'm going to try to show Caspian real quick. Caspian, see the turtle out on the rock?
There's a bunch of them. See them right
We
there?
stopped for a turtle.
See the turtles? Yeah. He said yeah.
Aww.
These fish down here.
Caspian.
Yeah. And the
Think
rock
about
down
it. They can eat
there.
it for free. I mean, nobody's out here fishing, so they eat for free all day.
Froggy.
Yeah?
I see you like these
Oh, I didn't even see the ones closer over here. Sorry, Bryce.
Huh.
Yeah, you see those turtles, Bubby?
Eventually you can't step on the thing.
Don't put your phone up there, make me nervous.
No, don't put your phone.
Oh my gosh.
Drop it down in there.
I'll kill him. That kid.
There's some over there by Daniel too.
You know you have 2 different color shoes on.
Oh, look! Double team!
Oh,
He
here.
started doing that.
Total team!
Look, do you see him there, Caspian?
Yeah.
You see him?
No, it's not here.
Yeah, their turtles are down there in that log.
Not
Here, stand up and you can see.
Amazing, right?
Oh,
Most people think
there
they
is
like that.
Here, stand up and you can look.
There's another total team over
See 'em?
there. Yeah, I see those turtles. Let's go back.
All right, you have to get back in.
Let's poke the head out.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right, get back in. We'll go get
We went
pizza.
back in.
Oh, hold on.
We went
I got
to
you.
the African safari and saw 2 of them trying to hunt
Did you?
turtles.
Where'd you go?
That African safari in Ohio.
Didn't even cost extra for the show.
How was that?
I liked it.
Did you go during the season, like when they was like, was it
Oh,
going?
it was crowded.
It was going? Well, they say that's the best time to go. When we looked it up a while back, it wasn't even open.
Okay, I can't even see because the sun's in my eyes. I don't know what I'm
That's cool that
recording.
you guys liked it. Then.
Yeah.
Bryce, where are we going?
I don't know.
Okay, Ultimate California.
Ultimate California Grill.
No, Ultimate California Pizza.
Oh yeah, pizza. That's
We got Jennifer and Dale with us, minus the kids.
yeah, minus the kiddos.
We're having lots of fun without you guys. Just kidding. We love you.
I am.
Yes, we did.
You're a brat.
Whatever.
I'm
Well, only we just wish that the boys were here, not Mary. We'll leave Mary at home.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, that's my purse. But we got to present them before we order. It says.
I am on this.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's because I'm starving.
You get that picture of the thing?
Yeah.
Come inside to be seated outside.
Huh?
Sitting inside or outside?
I don't know. You guys want to sit inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside?
Inside?
Yeah. That's a good idea. Go ahead, bub.
Lead the way, Bryce. Daniel's gonna hold.
Deal. You want to just do the big table over here? Oh, okay. He's decided we're sitting there. Okay.
Well,
It looks really good.
it's up to you. I don't care what you get.
One square. And another square.
Oh, and here they don't have their regular breadsticks yet. Like they have there.
Water? Not right now. I ate Crawford Junior's nuts.
Junior's what on some? Oh.
The onions and the green there. Got the onions and the mushrooms. I just don't want you to have.
You should probably try by keeping it on there.
I got it.
Mom, record this. It's not my fault. Hey, wait.
So that didn't work.
Huh? Stay there, Bubby.
Oh,
Hey, Mary froze the wheel.
Slow down.
that's 2.
What was it, 3?
3. I like how it rode the curb over there. He's giving her instructions. He's gonna help her. He's just making sure you're all right over there. Yeah. Hey, get over
Caspian, over here.
Stupid thing.
here. No,
Caspian, over here, baby. Nope, over here. Come back.
was that 5?
5.
That wasn't bad. Jennifer got 5.
5? Okay.
Hey, we need 30.
2 and oh, baby.
I don't know how he did it. Bounce. Get a bounce. Come back.
How is this happening?
You got yours in 2, Bryce?
Yes.
Yeah, he did. Right. Oh! That was going straight in there until it hit that thing. Still pretty close.
Look kind of far to me.
2.
That's because you'll fall away.
Hey, baby, go over there, my dude.
Come over here.
My mommy. So Jennifer can hit the ball.
Jennifer's got this. Hole in 1.
Oh, got in 2. Don't, no pressure. You get in hole in 1. You get praise.
Remember, the hole's right here, not over here. Yeah,
It's okay. If you flip him off, we're not going to hold it against you. We get it.
Don't worry. You're gonna fuck it up.
Hey! Oh, my God, I thought she was going to do it. After all that, I thought she had it.
I always do.
Man, that was actually really close. That was the best shot anybody's had.
Seriously.
You blew it.
Caspian.
Through the hole. All right, redoing
Mommy,
something.
me, watch me.
Bryce, aim for the hole.
Oh, so you keep shooting it to that side. Try to aim it in
Keep
the
your
hole.
arms straight. Go slow. You got this.
Yeah. There we go. That was
There
good.
you go.
It goes too quick.
Mm-hmm.
He's like Dan.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Still gonna get him for though. That's pretty good. Watch out. Hey, he's got a big one. Huge one.
Nice job.
Don't tell him that.
No, yeah, he's gonna pick up the bigger one. Stop it.
you.
Hey, hey, no more of that crap. I know, no more.
That's number
You gotta admit, that's pretty good. He made it all the way from here.
Yeah, I guess.
Caspian, leave him alone. Oh, Bubby, that wasn't even fair.
4.
4.
Caspian, watch out.
It's my fault.
I got it.
We gotta slow you guys down some.
Who?
You guys. Gotta slow you guys down.
Who?
3.
All these 2, 3.
Hold me down.
Makes me jealous.
Hey, at least you didn't get in a 4 this time.
You don't know. I haven't
Go, go,
shown
go.
you.
Caspian, no. Over here now or no playground.
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done. Then you can go play the playground real quick.
2.
Bullshit.
What'd you say?
Bullshit.
Mommy, you give me this gold.
Alright, I guess.
Mommy, need this black gold. It's so shiny.
Bounce hard enough off that back wall, dude. It's coming. You don't get it out there.
Are you doing it, Bubby?
It's rolling back down.
Show mommy.
I'll hit you right there.
Might have got rid of it on the way.
Yeah.
Yeah!